Ever pondered on how to master a monologue for an audition? Monologues are more than just words, they're your passport to make a lasting impression. They're the key to showcasing your range, depth, and understanding of the character. Acquiring the skill to deliver a captivating monologue could be the game changer that propels your acting career forward. We're here to guide you through this journey with a step-by-step tutorial on mastering the art of monologues. Stay tuned as we dive into our first step, choosing the right monologue. Choosing the right monologue can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, but it doesn't have to be. The key is finding a piece that aligns with your age, gender, and personality. It should also suit the character you're auditioning for, creating a seamless transition between you and your role. Hunting for monologues, dive into play scripts, novels, or even movie scripts. Remember, the perfect monologue doesn't just showcase your acting chops, it resonates with you. Once you've found the perfect monologue, it's time to move on to our next step, understanding the monologue. Understanding your monologue is like unlocking a door to your character's world. It's about delving deeper into the context, feeling the character's motivations, and experiencing their emotions. To truly comprehend your monologue, ask yourself questions. What is the character's purpose? What are they feeling? What's at stake for them? This analysis is crucial. It's the foundation upon which your performance will be built. With a solid understanding of your monologue, you're ready to move on to our next step, memorizing the monologue. Memorizing a monologue may seem daunting, but with the right techniques, it can be a breeze. Let's dive into some effective methods that can make this task more manageable. First, repetition is your friend. Repeating your monologue over and over again can help you get the lines ingrained in your mind. It's not about mindless repetition, though. Each time you repeat, aim to understand and connect with the words more deeply. Next, consider breaking your monologue down into manageable chunks. Instead of trying to memorize the whole piece at once, focus on one section at a time. Once you've got that down, move on to the next. And lastly, visualization. Imagine yourself in the context of the monologue. See the words come to life in your mind's eye. This not only aids in memorization, but also helps you connect emotionally with the material. Remember, practice is key in this stage. The more you practice, the more natural your monologue will become. Once you've committed your monologue to memory, you're ready to move on to our final step, delivering the monologue. Delivering a monologue is where the magic happens. It's where you bring your character to life. This is the moment when all your hard work, your understanding, your memorization comes together. But how do you make sure you're delivering your monologue effectively? Let's break it down. Firstly, let's talk about body language. Your character isn't just a voice. They're a living, breathing entity. They move, they react, they express. So your body language needs to embody this. Practice in front of a mirror. Observe how your movements translate your character's emotions and adjust accordingly. Next, vocal variety. A monologue isn't a monotone. Your voice is an instrument, and you need to play it to its full range. Loud, soft, fast, slow, high, low, these variations can all be used to convey different emotions. Experiment with your voice and find what works best for your character. Finally, emotional authenticity. You're not just reciting lines, you're living your character's reality. You need to feel their joy, their sorrow, their anger. This emotional connection will resonate with your audience and make your performance unforgettable. But remember, practice makes perfect. Try delivering your monologue in different ways, experiment with different emotions, and see what resonates the most. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones on your path to perfection. With these steps, you are now equipped to master any monologue and leave a lasting impression at your next audition.